a lot of people think about monetization on YouTube, and the first thing that comes to mind is, I want 1,000 subscribers, I want 4,000 hours. That'll get me monetized. I'll start getting ad revenue that way, and you also unlock a couple other YouTube features as well. So tell us a little bit about why that's not necessarily the only thing you should be working towards.
Okay. I have 6.5, 7 million views on my current YouTube channel, my main channel, which is an educational channel. Now, 7 million views to 𝗖𝗲𝗏𝘁 is 7 million views at possibly $35 to $40 per CPM. Now, for people that don't understand what CPM means, is YouTube will pay, or will be paid by the advertisers $40 for every 1,000 playable adverts against some content, and you will get a slice of that in your RPM, revenue per mil. Now, that sounds fantastic, right? That's because 𝗖𝗏𝗏𝘁 is in the highest niche on the platform. Now, I had a YouTube channel that had over 100 million views that was entertainment and comedy and cutting teeth edge blue humor, and I was getting 25 cents per 1,000 views, which then means I was getting, I don't know, $20, $30, $40 per month for millions of views. So with this in mind, yes, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time does get you monetized on the YouTube platform. That won't necessarily pay your bills. If you're Mr. Beast, great, fine, wonderful. If you're the returning Shane Dawson, yeah, fine, maybe, right? But the average YouTuber, right, it's pocket change. Even to a point where, in some cases, businesses may turn off advertisements because they feel it helps them to be more user-friendly in a user experience to push them elsewhere. Now, I, however, capitalize on external platforms. If me, as a YouTube educator, can show you how great my lighting happens to be, or a massive water bottle, right? And I refer you to said useful thing in the comment section down below, and I build out 700, 800, 900 videos, all touting the benefits of a decent lighting setup, a decent webcam, a decent camera, video ideas from vidIQ, that kind of thing, then those things give me more of a conversion rate when pushing people somewhere. For example, if I was to push you towards maybe even vidIQ, as an affiliate, I might get a slice of the profit. And it depends on affiliate agreements, whether it happens to be any affiliate agreement, not just vidIQ. An affiliate agreement could be anywhere between 5 and 50%. Now imagine I push you down there, and this water bottle that I'm holding in my hand, which is hard to see or hear on a podcast, if that's a $20 bottle and I've got a 50% affiliate markup, that's $10.
That's a big markup.
Very much so. And that $10 used to be 3 million views on my old comedy channel. You can see the difference here. So why not use the platform and the influence you have to create a community around you and then offer value that can then help buy courses, products, services, lend your expertise and your experience towards other brands that want to work with you. And then you don't have to worry about the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 hours of watch time. You just have to worry about building that cult audience or useful information that people can then springboard off of towards the product or service that you're suggesting.